Do you really need to take a Microsoft Excel class? Yes, you do. I used to think I knew so much about what that program could do. I could Google whatever function I needed, and I could pretty much stumble my way through it pretty efficiently. I had no idea how much that program was capable of. It took me taking the class level 1, 2, and I've now done 3, and I cannot tell you how much more confident I am in it, how much faster I am, and I can use pivot slicers, which you probably don't even know what that is. I was so arrogant about how much I knew, and I didn't know a slice of it. I finally figured out maybe 2 or 3 years ago how to print out an Excel sheet without using 7 pieces of paper. I'm sure that's something you've done before. And now I can set my print area to exactly what I want it to be. I know what I'm going to get when I put in text, formulas, and I know what it means when I get the little yield sign or something's giving me an odd value. I can actually figure that stuff out now and nest functions, which is a pretty cool thing too. If you're interested in taking that step and learning more about the program that we probably all think we're experts in, then reach out to us. We hold level 1 and 2 classes pretty consistently throughout the year, and if you have taken a level 2 class with us, then you have an invitation to take level 3. We also offer the certification preparation courses to become a Microsoft Office specialist if that's something interesting to you. But most of the students, I have to admit, we have a lot of small business owners, IT help desk people, information analysts come in, and they use Excel every day. My favorite is when I get accountants who have been using Excel forever, and they had no idea how much time they could save by noticing how this one function works, or figuring out that the 3 functions they've been using in all the different cells, well, that one actually already exists in one function, and you don't have to do so much work. So again, if you're interested in it, reach out, come to our website, see what's covered in each class. We actually have the full syllabus posted on our Microsoft Excel page. And don't be like me and be stubborn and take years to figure it out. Sign up for a class. It'll save you a lot of time and frustration.